The purple heron, master of stealth. Hidden in the shadows of the wetlands, a slender figure waits. The purple heron, with its chestnut plumage and piercing yellow eyes, is a master of patience. Today, we follow this elusive bird to uncover its secrets of survival. The purple heron prefers dense reed beds in shallow waters across Europe, Asia, and Africa. Unlike its cousin, the gray heron, it is more secretive. Often concealed in vegetation, it thrives in twilight hours, dawn and dusk, when prey is most active. Solitary by nature, it blends seamlessly into its surroundings, making it nearly invisible to both prey and predators. Diet and prey: snakes, checkered keelback, Folia piscator. Fish: carp, perch, and small fingerlings form the bulk of its diet. Amphibians: frogs and toads are frequent catches. Invertebrates: crabs, crayfish, aquatic insects, and snails. Occasional mammals and birds: opportunistic feeding when small rodents or chicks wander near water. Its varied diet makes it a keystone predator, balancing wetland ecosystems. Behavior and breeding: purple herons nest in colonies, often hidden deep in reed beds. Both parents share duties of feeding chicks. Their breeding season aligns with peak abundance of fish and frogs, ensuring food security for young. Juveniles practice hunting early, mimicking adult patience and strikes. Hunting techniques. Stealth hunting. The heron stands motionless for minutes, sometimes hours, waiting for prey to approach. spearing strike. With lightning speed, it thrusts its bill forward like a spear. Neck mechanics. Its long, flexible neck coils like a spring, then releases with explosive precision. Slow stalking. At times, it moves carefully through shallow water, scanning for ripples. Ambush predator. Unlike raptors that chase, the purple heron relies on patience and camouflage. Ecological role. By controlling snakes, fish, and amphibian populations, purple herons help maintain ecological balance. They are indicator species. Their presence signals a healthy wetland. Declines in purple heron populations often point to habitat loss, pollution, or climate change. Conservation of wetlands is therefore vital not just for herons, but for countless species. Closing reflection. The purple heron is more than a hunter. It is a symbol of patience, precision, and balance. In every strike, it teaches us the art of waiting. In every shadow, it reminds us of nature's hidden wonders. Protecting wetlands means protecting this master of stealth and ensuring that future generations can witness its quiet elegance. This video glorifies the effective hunting skills of the purple heron.